Hello guys, in this video I will discuss how to create first C Sharp console app. So let's start. So I launch here Visual Studio 2022 and create a new project, and from this template we select console app. This is for .NET, a project for creating a command line application that can run on .NET on Windows. So our language is C Sharp, so I select this and then next, and I give the name of this application console app is first app. I give the name first app and then next and create a project. So here first app, this project is created here, and program.cs is the entry point of the applications. Okay, so I erase all this, and from beginning I write here all the program. So using this is a keyword to import. Here I import system, and in system package input output method is written. Okay, next namespace is our project name. Namespace is first app. First app is our project name. Okay, and then we write here class name public class, and class name is program. Okay, and in curly braces we write program from this into this curly braces. So firstly I write main method public static void main. In main, M is capital, and in this main method, this opening and curly braces, all the program is written between this opening and curly braces. So starting of this program, starting of this application is from this main method. So all the code is written in this main method. So firstly, here I use console.writeLine for display message to the user. So here I give the message hello world, and this console.writeLine, this is used for displaying message. So from user, if you want to uh, give a input from the user, so I write. So here give the message to the user to enter first name, and for save this name I declare here name variable. Name is equal to console.readline. Okay, and then print this name variable. So I use here double quote dollar in double quote my name is, and in curly braces give this same variable name. Give this variable name. Okay, so here I use input output console write line and read line here. So I save this and run this application. So here hello world is display first message. Second message is for user enter first name, and here I enter my name is, so here Sonali. I enter name of the student or name first name of first name. So I enter here Sonali name, and output is my name is Sonali is display here. So I, in this program I use input output, give message to the user, and from user read the and from user get the information from the user and display. Okay, so let's stop here.